Welcome to our countdown of the top plays for Monday, February 10th in the stock markets. Buckle up, because we're in for a wild ride. The markets are open and they're roaring. We've got earnings galore, surprise announcements, and enough stock action to make your head spin. I'm Jim Cramer, and today we're diving into the most significant moves you need to know about. We're talking about the companies making headlines, the stocks that are soaring high, and the ones taking a tumble. So, grab your notepad, get ready to take some notes, and let's make some money. Let's kick things off with the electric vehicle juggernaut Tesla. This stock is hotter than a jalapeno on a summer day, folks. Shares surged over 7% today, and let me tell you why. Delivery numbers are in, and they're absolutely crushing expectations. We're talking record-breaking numbers here, people. This isn't just about selling cars, this is about dominating an entire industry. Tesla is firing on all cylinders, and Wall Street is taking notice. Analysts are scrambling to revise their price targets upwards, and the momentum just keeps building. Remember, this is a company that's changing the world, and investors are clamoring to get a piece of the action. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Competition is heating up in the EV space, and Tesla needs to stay ahead of the curve. We'll be watching closely to see if they can maintain this incredible pace. Buckle up, because this ride is far from over. Next up, we're talking about the tech titan itself, Apple. They just released their latest earnings report, and let me tell you, it's a doozy. Earnings per share blew past analyst expectations, sending the stock up over 3% in after-hours trading. This is the kind of performance that makes you want to shout from the rooftops. Apple is a money-making machine, with their iPhones, Macs, and services raking in billions. They've got their fingers in every pie, and they're baking up profits hand over fist. But listen, we need to be cautious. The global chip shortage is still a concern, and it could impact Apple's ability to meet the sky-high demand for their products. Keep a close eye on this, because it could make or break the stock in the coming months. Hold on to your hats, folks, because Amazon is at it again. The e-commerce behemoth just announced a major acquisition, scooping up name of company for a cool amount. That's right. Amazon is on a shopping spree, and they're not afraid to spend big bucks to expand their empire. This acquisition is a game-changer, folks. It gives Amazon a foothold in the industry market, a sector that's ripe for disruption. We're talking about a company that's constantly innovating, constantly pushing the boundaries. They're not content with just being the biggest, they want to be the best in every single market. But here's the thing. Antitrust regulators are watching Amazon like a hawk. This latest acquisition could raise some eyebrows, and we need to be prepared for potential regulatory hurdles down the road. Stay tuned, because this story is far from over. Talk about a tech titan on fire. Microsoft is absolutely on a tear, folks. The stock soared to a new all-time high today, breaking through the price barrier like it was nothing. This is what happens when a company consistently delivers the goods, quarter after quarter. Their cloud computing platform, Azure, is an absolute cash cow, growing at an astronomical rate. Businesses around the world are flocking to Microsoft's cloud solutions, and it's showing in their bottom line. This is a company that's firing on all cylinders, and Wall Street is rewarding them handsomely. But remember, what goes up can also come down. Competition in the cloud space is fierce, with Amazon and Google breathing down Microsoft's neck. We need to keep a close eye on this battle for cloud supremacy, because it will have major implications for Microsoft's future. And now for the bad news. Boeing, the aerospace giant, took a nosedive today, with shares plummeting over 5%. This comes after news that the Federal Aviation Administration is grounding some of their 737 MAX jets due to a potential electrical issue. This is a major setback for Boeing, a company that's been struggling to regain its footing after the 737 MAX crashes. Safety concerns continue to plague the company, and this latest news is a blow to their efforts to restore public trust. Investors are understandably nervous, and they're selling off their shares in droves. Boeing has a long road ahead of them, and it remains to be seen if they can overcome these challenges and regain their former glory. That's it for today's top plays in the stock market. We've seen incredible gains, surprising drops, and everything in between. Remember, the market is a wild beast, full of twists and turns. But with the right information and a little bit of luck, we can ride the waves to financial success. Stay tuned for more updates and insights. I'm Jim Cramer, and I'll see you next time. Don't miss it.